Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is my favorite game, Carrom. Number 1 line. My favorite game is Carrom. Number 2. It is an indoor game. Number 3. Carrom is played by 2 or 4 players. Number 4. It is played on a square wooden board. Number 5. We use a striker to hit the coins. Number 6. There are black, white, and one red coin. Number 7. The red coin is called the queen. Number 8. Carrom needs good aim and concentration. Number 9. I play Carrom with my family and friends. Number 10. Carrom is a fun and interesting game. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.